This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications in the Thorium web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable notifications, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Site Settings and click on Site Settings. And on this page, you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see the Permissions section. And in the Permissions section right here, Notifications, click on Notifications. To enable notifications, you would toggle on this top one up here, and then it gives you 3 different choices: collapse all requests in the address bar, collapse unwanted requests, or expand all requests. That is, if you want to enable notifications. To disable notifications, you would toggle on this bottom one. Don't allow sites to send notifications. Down below that, you could customize particular websites. You can add them. If I wanted to enable notifications and not allow particular websites not allowed to send notifications, I would click on Add. You can customize particular websites, but the main feature is right up here. Sites can ask to send notifications, or don't allow sites to send notifications. That is how to enable or disable notifications on the Thorium web browser. Thanks for watching.